In this video, I will show you how to use your own picture as screensaver on your Amazon Fire TV Stick. So first things first, you want to head over to the App Store of your Amazon Fire TV Stick, and on the App Store, you want to go ahead and search for Amazon Photos. So just come over to this search bar over here, and then you want to go ahead and search for Amazon Photos, and you can literally see the Amazon Photos suggestion over here. So just go ahead and click on it, and this is basically the Amazon Photos app. So what you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you download and install this app into your Amazon Fire TV Stick. Now for some Amazon Fire TV Stick, you will find out that the Amazon Photos app is unavailable for download. But you don't need to panic. I have made a complete tutorial on how to make this app available for download on your Amazon Fire TV Stick. So you can go ahead and check the link in the description of this video to download the Amazon Photos app if it is unavailable on your Fire TV Stick. But if this app is available on your Amazon Fire TV Stick, what you just want to do is to go ahead and download it and then just launch the app just like so. And at this point, you want to go ahead and link the app with either your phone number or your email. In my case, I'll just go ahead and select my Gmail just like so. And now I'll just go over to my mobile phone and confirm the message that was sent to my mobile phone. And you can literally see the message over here. Now what I just want to do is to go ahead and download the Amazon Photos app on my mobile phone. I can either go to the Google Play Store to download it, or I can just go over to this place and click on get the app over here, which will literally take me to the Google Play Store. So just go over to the Google Play Store and download the Amazon Photos app. Now once this app is downloaded and installed, you want to go ahead and open it up directly from the Google Play Store. Now at this point, you want to go ahead and log into your Amazon account. Now after entering your email and your password, you will be signed into the Amazon Photos app. Now what you just want to do is to click on allow notifications. Go ahead and click on allow access, click on allow again, and then just go ahead and click on next. Click on next. Now just go ahead and click on keep current permission. Now once you get the app, all of your photos will automatically start uploading into the Amazon Photos app. Now for you to control this, you can simply just come over to this place, and then you want to go ahead and click on use cellular data. Now what this means is that the upload is going to be using your mobile phone data to upload all of the images on your mobile phone into your Amazon Photos app. So you can go ahead and turn this on, use cellular data here, and then turn it on here to save photos using your mobile phone data as well. Now once this is done, all of your photos, like I said, will automatically start uploading into your Amazon Photos app automatically. So you can literally see all the photos on my mobile phone, and they are being uploaded into my Amazon Photos app. Now if I want to stop this, I can simply just go ahead and turn off the use cellular data over here. So if I come over to upload settings, I can simply just go ahead and turn off this option to automatically stop the upload. Now once you finally have the photos you want to use as your screensaver on your Amazon Photos app, what you just want to do is to go ahead and launch the Amazon Photos app again on your Amazon Fire TV Stick. So just go ahead and launch the Amazon Photos app. This time you're going to find all of the images that has been uploaded on the Amazon Photos app on your Fire TV Stick. Now to use any of these images as your screensaver, what you just want to do is to go ahead and click on the image you want to use as your screensaver. In my case, I'll just go ahead and click on this particular image of mine, and then I'll go ahead and click on the three menu button over here. So just go ahead and click on this menu button. Now what you just want to do is to go ahead and add this picture to your favorites. Now once it is added to your favorites, you want to go again and start searching for all of the pictures you want to use as your screensaver and add them to your favorites. Now once you're done adding all of the pictures you want to use as your screensaver to your favorites, what you just want to do is to come over to the home of your Amazon Fire TV Stick, and then you want to head over to this settings icon over here, click on it, and then you want to come down to display and sound, click on it as well. And at this point, you want to go ahead and click on screensaver, and then you want to go ahead and click on current screensaver and make sure that it is set to favorites. Now what this means is that your screensaver will only be from the photos you have added to your favorites. So if I go over to the home of my Amazon Fire TV Stick and wait for about 5 minutes, automatically the photos that will be used as my screensaver on my Amazon Fire TV Stick will definitely be the photos I have added to my favorites as my screensaver on my Amazon Fire TV Stick. That will be all on how to use your own pictures as screensaver on your Amazon Fire TV Stick. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.